Hello guys, today I've got a Motorola Razr 70 and I'm going to show you how to enable and use the Gemini Assistant. At first you need to open the settings in your phone. Here open Google. Select all services and scroll down till you see Search, Assistant and Voice. Tap it. And as you can see, here we've got many things like Google Assistant and Gemini. Tap Google Assistant and scroll down till you see Digital Assistants from Google. Here, select Gemini. So the first one. Now, you can reset the settings so that it will be faster. And here, scroll down to the gestures. Now you need to select physical key, like for example power key. Here on the press and hold, you need to set Digital Assistant. Now when we press and hold our power button, we can use our Gemini. That's how it works. Goodbye.